so busy. Good girl!
Why? It's the same reason a similar series of eruptions about 17 million years ago from the Columbia Plateau in America's Pacific Northwest didn't cause a mass extinction of its own.
All these volcanic rocks, essentially from
What you doing, Violet? What happened?
And so they represent
Violet?
one of these
Get the rest of them. They don't belong there.
and it would have deposited
Good girl.
within days or weeks. When you go further down this mountain, you will find a plateau, which appears to be the break between this eruption and
What happened?
Each successive pulse created another layer and added a
So
step to
cute.
the Columbia Formation. And even though the volcanic lava spread out over tens of thousands of
Get the rest of this.
square
Couple more left.
miles, it didn't have the earth-shattering
Good
effect
girl,
of
Violet.
that. The reason is that all of the
Isn't like that one there.
Columbia pulses took more than 10
Oh
years
my god, look at all this stuff on the floor.
The long
Violet, there's a few more pieces left.
allowed the
Come here.
surrounding environment
This one.
to recover.
This one right there.
you just have one pulse that lasts for 10 years. It could be washed out within 10
Few more.
to 100 years.
You finished?
afterwards.
Is that it?
Next eruption went off the
Surveying your handiwork.
environment fully recuperated. Living conditions would have worsened
That's it?
exponentially.
Funny.
Violet,
Violet, there's a few pieces here. Here, this one. This one and this one. Right there, Violet.
In the last few years, all this has changed. The eruptions now
Violet.
are known to occur over very short time.
No, 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 not the eggs. Oh no, Violet. Oh my goodness. No, Violet. That's not right. Not the eggs. You don't throw your food overboard. Oh my god. It's such a slob.
In effect, the pulsed explosions of the Deccan volcanoes through a rapid series of
That's it. That's enough, Violet. You made a mess. Oh my god. Throwing eggs overboard.
much poison gas
I can't believe she's throwing eggs overboard. Violet, what are you doing? Oh my goodness.
Have caused earthquakes, tsunamis.
There's one more right there, Violet.
Fires, but certainly regional fires, acid rain, poisonous clouds of gas, and
Okay, I think you're finished. Did you have a good time?
however, all the pulses taken
Did you have a good time, Violet?
would have had the effect of dozens of meteorite impacts spread out over thousands.